Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create this amazing pull open card that you can use for any occasion like Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, and more. And as you saw in the intro, we had this piece little attached in there. This is a card that opens up like this, and it's another miniature card just like this one that you can just put in these little corners. We can also put this kind of card in there like this. And you can also put this kind of card through the corners. And to learn how to make any of these three, we have their videos linked in the description below. So let's get started on this pull open card. For this, you will need one square sheet of paper, some sort of tiny little square paper that can be just painted, white, colored, or any regular colored, and you will need some glue. So let's get started with our paper. So we're going to start off by just taking our square piece of paper and folding it in half. And we're just going to crease this really well. Next, we're going to open this back up, and we're going to fold this side inwards like this. And we're going to fold this side from here into here. And we're going to just crease this really nice. And then next, we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to fold this side to this side. We're just going to make sure we're creasing really well on all of these creases. Sharpness is really important. That way, your pull and open card will open really easily. Now we're going to take this side and fold it to the center crease. And we're going to crease it really well. Now we're going to take this side and fold it into the center crease. Like such. Next, once you're done this step, you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it to that one to create a diagonal fold. And all these creases will just make it easier for our things to fold. And once you've done that, you're just going to fold this side to here. And you're going to crease. So now that you've done some basic folds, you're going to flip your paper over and take this tip and fold it to the center. Make sure your creases are really strong. So I'm just going to crease mine. And I'm going to make sure this is folded, take this corner and fold this to the center. I'm going to crease really well. I'm going to take this one and fold it to the corner and crease well. I'm going to take this one and fold it in to the center to crease. Next, I'm just going to take this tip and fold it back in like this. I'm going to take this tip, fold it back in. Also going to take this one and fold it. And lastly, I will take my fourth one, like this. Now all we have left is just the shaping of this. So just now those creases that you made, just fold them backwards. So those are going to just form our pop parts or flaps. And so make sure you really crease these. Okay, next you can kind of see this is already trying to form like this kind of little vent over here too. Just allow this vent to freely happen. And then we just want this vent also to work that way. And this one. And once you have all these vents, they're all just going to gently collapse, making sure the creases are really well is very important, otherwise it's not going to collapse this easily. So now your little pull and open card is basically ready. All you need to do is bring in that little paper that you have, and again, remember this is a paper that has just regular paint or any type of paper works, just this is not the best because it's the same color and it won't look as nice. So now we're going to bring in our glue, and we're just going to glue the back side of our thing. So once you've glued this really well, you can take this and just put it into the center, like however you want it. So maybe I'm going to put this in like such, and just crease this really well and fold upon here so you have really nice and crisp edges. And again, just get your really nice creases that you have, fold back upon this right here like this, and you are all set. Now once you have done this step, you can use any of these things that I attached in the intro, and these, you can find the video for how to make all of these in the description. And basically I will show you how to insert these because sometimes it can be a little tricky to insert these in here. So I would take this corner and put it in here and this here, so just insert it all the way nice and good, and take this corner, insert this in, and this last corner is going to be the trickiest one. Just slide it in, and now you have this thing in. So you can do this to all of your just an open cards, and you have like 2 cards, pull it open, people can see the message inside, and then they can also see your little card. Remember that you can use these twist and open pull and open cards for any occasion, like Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthday, greeting cards. These are perfect to use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye!